Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Tolu. Last week I made a video on shopmissa brand, makeup brand. If you haven't watched it, please check it out right here. Today we'll be checking out some of their makeup products. Yes, last week I showed you guys this bag. Yeah, so last week's package and this video's package came in one bag. Yeah, so it came like this. This is so nice. Their makeup in here, so for them to package it like this, for me, I really appreciated that. Like, it's never going to break, like nothing is going to break in here, which is so good. I've never seen this before. Like, it's so strong, so strong. I love that. Okay, I'm gonna bring out everything and then we'll check them out. Is it weird that I'm gonna keep this? I'm definitely going to keep this. So I'm going to be putting the prices down here for you guys to see, because I can't remember what they each cost. Yeah, and I'm going to give you guys like the total cost of everything that I bought. It's not a lot, but like there are things that you can use as a beginner makeup person. Like if you're just going into makeup, these are like the basic things. Yeah. So the first thing that we have here is the loose powder. It's a setting powder. Ooh. Ooh. Wait, how do you do this? I think I'm gonna break this. Am I gonna break this? How do you do this? Okay, here it is. I can't open it. I don't know how to open this yet. I'm gonna be using all of these things in another video to do my makeup, because I'm going into makeup, like I'm getting into it. Don't judge me. Yeah, I did a makeup I think like 4 weeks ago, 3-4 weeks ago, and it was very good. I'm gonna show you guys a picture right here. So yeah, we're gonna use all of this to practice makeup. Yes, this one is wrapped, but I don't know what is inside. Oh, this is eyeshadow palette. It's written at the back. And we have, this is also an eyeshadow, but like it's also blush. I think this one, yeah, because it says face and cheek palette. It's not bad. They look so nice. Oh, that is so pretty. Like, it's so nice. They're like so cool. Ah, that's nice. Okay, next thing that we have is this liquid. Oh, highlighter again. This is liquid highlighter. 5 sets. Why did I don't even know. Why was I mean, I guess I was maybe gonna try different things and see. So we have different, I feel like this one would work better with my skin. Yeah. Am I trying to be a makeup artist? Because come on guys, if you want me to do your makeup, just call me. Then we have this ones. I must have ordered this separately, I believe so, and it was packaged in one. Yeah. So in here we have oh, it's a foundation. What is this? Oh, primer. It's a primer. Yeah. And the next thing we have a primer again. Okay. This one is a banana. I think it smells like banana. That's why I bought it. I don't even know why. Then we have, oh, mascara. Ooh, it's a contour stick. Okay, this one I'm mostly excited for because the last time I did my makeup, I didn't use contour. Next one is, oh yeah, concealer. Now this one is a concealer. I hope that these are like, it matches my color. Like, it's so hard to buy makeup things online. Like, I feel like you have to go there, because the one that I used for my last makeup, I literally went to Sephora, like in person, like they usually do the testing on you, and then they get your color and what product matches your skin, and that was what I did, and it was the perfect shade. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, this is a lip liner. Yeah, and this is a lip tint. That is so red, if you can see. And this is, I believe it's, yeah, eyeliner plus brush. Oh yeah, this is the one. Yeah, I was excited for this one. It has, the hand has a brush. That is cool. Yeah, bought brush sets. I have brushes, right? But I was like, if I really want to go into like diving into this shopmissa brand makeup thing, I need to use their own brush to try it out, you know, to try whatever experiment that I'm doing. And then, as always, we have a blender. This blender, please be soft. Oh yes, yeah, that is so squishy. I love that. Smells like rubber. Then we have, oh, cream blush. Ooh, I love this color. I'm actually wearing a blush right now. I don't know if you guys can tell. It is very, very subtle, like so soft. But I feel like I can see it, so can you guys see it? Oh, it's for the lashes. It says, oh, it's also a mascara, I think. Yeah, it's a mascara. But this one is, oh, this is the colored one. And then the last thing is, what is this brush called? Yeah, that's what it's used for. But I don't know what it's called. Not too bad. I really, I love the product so far. I haven't used them, so I can't really talk about like how effective they are, or if they're gonna give me like, you know, dark spots after. I mean, pimples. We'll see, because my face is so sensitive that was one of the reasons why I stopped wearing makeup, because it kept damaging my skin. But after I went to Sephora that day, they did the test or whatever, and they gave me the product that is actually good for my skin, and it matches my skin. After that day, yes, I had this after that day, this one. The reason why it turned to like a black spot is because I usually pick on my skin, which is very, very bad. I know. So yeah, that gave me this, but apart from that, like, my skin is still good. I'm gonna show you guys the other ones that I bought at Sephora. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. This is, it's a skin tint, not necessarily a foundation. That's why I love it, and it's not heavy at all. This makeup, and then this one is a Sephora brand. It's a concealer, the best 2 makeup I've bought so far in my entire life. Yes. This one is from Core. I don't know if, I think that's how it's pronounced, Core Beauty. Yeah, so nice. It's so nice. Sometimes I had, like for today, I had a bit of lipstick. This one I'm wearing on my lips. I added a little to give it like more color, because it is so calm. This color is so calm, which I love. Yeah, okay, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.